Okay, hey, this is Sean with Blue Rhino Roofing. I'm on Harold Ruiz's roof again, and you can pan around here to kind of see the neighborhoods, make sure you know that we're actually on that roof. And so I was on this roof. We did a video before where I showed the adjusters from Progressive. He was on the roof with me, and I showed him this wind damage where the shingles are pulled up, and I showed him the hail damage. And he says, oh, no, this isn't hail damage. This is just like tool marks all over the roof. I never heard that before, but okay, even though there was a hailstorm here. And then we also have the zip ring. The shingles are pulled up. And let me show you here. I made a video on this before, and the other adjuster, her name was Samantha. She actually hung the phone up on me when I was trying to talk about this, and she actually told me that there was no creases in any of these shingles. Now, these marks were made by the engineer from Casa Engineering. They're here today. You can see these are creased, and this was on my video that I made before. They said that there was no creases right here. You can see all these creases through here. Okay, so there's no doubt. Then I also showed the adjusters, which they completely ignored. These fasteners are pulled off. These are all pulled off the fasteners. You can see all this whole sheet here. The wind gets up under here, and it lifts these shingles up, and it pulled it off of these nails. Can you see where my finger is underneath this? See that? See that torn shingle? So these shingles got pulled off the nail fasteners. So you can see the same thing up under here as well. It's all pulled up. So this is wind damage. All these circles, same kind of circles I drew before with the adjuster that was here. And he told me this is not hail damage. The engineer just told me that this is definitely hail damage. Okay, and then this is the square that they made here. And this over here, again, this is all wind damage. These shingles are lifting up and they got pulled off of the fasteners. And if you look at this here, the engineer just showed me this piece here. See how this here was still sealed here. So when the wind came up, it pulled this off. It actually tore this shingle here. That's not thermal anything. That's wind damage. It's still stuck to here. So when the wind came, it tore it off. That's wind damage. That's wind damage all day long. Okay, Samantha? That's wind damage. So I would suggest you guys maybe get somebody who knows what wind damage is or hail strikes to come and inspect people's roofs in the future, but this is obvious. This should not have been passed over. So we'll come back over here. And the engineer's on this side here. He's already marked this side. So this is our engineer from Casa Engineering over here. And so he's doing his inspection. He'll put a report together for us that we'll send into the insurance company to verify that what we said originally was actually true and correct. All right. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon.